I'm out here at the beach again. I have a different camera this time, new cell phone. So, trying it out. Still stormy. There's surfers out again. They seem to be catching more waves today. I've seen a few already up. There's even some kayaker or something out there today.